डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम क्लास नाइन्थ की सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स की के चैप्टर ट्रायंगल्स की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 और 5 ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है ए बी सी डी इज ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन विच ए डी इज इक्वल टू बी सी एंड एंगल डी ए बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी बी ए। सी फिगर प्रूव दैट triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. BD is equal to AC and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. ये हमारे सामने फिगर है। ठीक, तो इस ट्रायंगल में पहला ट्रायंगल ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC और एंगल ABD is equal to एंगल BAC। ये तीन चीज़ें बतानी है। लेट वी सॉल्व इन द गिवन फिगर ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, we have AD is equal to BC, that is given. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, that is also given. AB is equal to AB, that is common. So therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by side angle side congruence. By side angle side congruence. Therefore, BD is equal to AC because corresponding part of congruent triangle, and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC, that is also CPCT, corresponding of congruent triangles. So hence question number 2 proved. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is AD and BC. AD and BC are equal perpendicular. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. Line segment ABP. See figure. Show that CD bisect AB. Show that CD bisect AB. AD और BC जो है ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाते हैं किस पे? लाइन AB पे। हमने बताना है CD जो है ये बाइसेक्ट करती है, इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है किसको? लाइन AB को। लेट वी सॉल्व in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. We have angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. These are vertical opposite angles. Angle CBO is equal to angle DAO. Each is equal to 90 degree. And AD is equal to BC, that is given. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by angle side congruence rule. किस रूल के तहत? AAS congruence. Also AO is equal to BO. AO is equal to BO. That is corresponding of congruent triangles. Hence CD bisect AB. Hence CD bisects AB. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. See figure. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Let we solve. In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AC is a diagonal. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC and BC is parallel to AD. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, we have angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. These are alternate interior angles. Angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. BCA is equal to angle DAC. These are also alternate interior angles. Now AC is equal to AC. That is common. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by angle side angle congruence rule. By angle side angle congruence rule. Now question number 5. Last question. Line L is the bisector of an angle A and B. Is any point on L, BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle A. See figure. Show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. BP is equal to BQ. B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. ये कहता है line L is the bisector. Line L is the bisector of an angle A and also angle B. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. BP and BQ are perpendicular 90 डिग्री के एंगल बनाते हैं पॉइंट B से टू द आर्म्स ऑफ एंगल A. तो हमने बताना है APB is congruent to triangle AQB and BP is equal to BQ और B is equidistant यानी B बराबर फासले पे है from the arms of angle A. Let we solve. In triangle APB and triangle AQB we have angle PAB is equal to angle QAB because L is the bisector of angle A. Angle APB is equal to angle AQB. Each is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to AB. That is common. Therefore, triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by angle side congruence. And also BP is equal to BQ by CPCT. Therefore, B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Proof. तो एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 और 5 ये मुकम्मल हो गया। आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी।